Hello, my name is Carrie Mills of Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Today is Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. I have been read and agree with the co-statement about to be read aloud, but due to the content, Chris Bacon will be spokesperson for our group.
Hello, my name is Denise Duval of Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. I too agree with this co-statement about to be read aloud by our spokesperson, Chris Bacon.
Hi, my name is Chris Bacon. I'm the spokesperson for Marshall Street Tenant Associated. It's Tuesday, June 8th at approximately 3 p.m. in the afternoon. On July 3rd, 2019, John Lichty went into surgery at St. Mary's General Hospital in Kitchener, Ontario, and was admitted as a patient to the CVC-ICU. Due to the commitment and determination and the superior level of effort by the nursing and support staff of the CVC-ICU at St. Mary's General Hospital, John Lichty survived until July 18th, 2019. During this traumatic experience, problems with communication in obtaining copies of documents that Carrie Mills was made to sign and other issues with administration, we requested a formal meeting which took place on July 15, 2019 with the attending surgeon, administration, myself, Carrie Mills, and a nephew of John Lichty present. Due to my disability, I recorded the meeting as the person asked to get involved to help Carrie and the situation we now know she was forcibly coerced into. The meeting was coordinated by the social worker in patient relations for St. Mary's General Hospital. The meeting was July 15, 2019, and in this meeting, the doctor and administration revealed a medical error in John Lichty's directive of care signed his permission with his surgery admittance form. Clear, simple directive. The doctor was to decide. Carrie Mills was even identified as contact person. The social worker patient relations indicated she had, quote, spoken to the public trustee this morning, end quote, which is extremely alarming considering the only job of the public trustee is to protect the rights of the patient. And John Lichty was supposed to be allowed to carry out his final directive on July 15, 2019, if her statement is in fact truthful. What happens instead is a cover-up through coercion, which is a crime. John Lichty was allowed to be kept alive against his will. He and ICU staff and others were repeatedly traumatized. While drugs and experts in an attempt to implant a pacemaker-type device were recommended for another 15 days from July 3rd when complications set in. The hospital decided it was about succession of decision-maker to avoid penalty and further scrutiny. This is a wrongful death case and was reported as such to the coroner's office, and in a meeting with the Waterloo Regional Police Detective Valkanoff on July 30th, 2019, which lasted almost 1 hour and was reported as a crime. A meeting with hospital administration took place July 19, 2019, where they were given notice of our dispute with this care by administration. Since then, we have heard nothing. This is and was a crime. Several calls and letters to the coroner, including Hamilton and Toronto offices. Dr. Kay Shift, the regional supervisor, and I had a conversation for 26 minutes on July 29, 2019. We are about to play the contents of this phone call and the one I had with the local coroner's office, originally reported July 22, 2019. The contents of the recording with the doctor and staff, which I was speaking about with regard to the meeting on July 15th, is evidence of the crime, as it is being covered up by the administration and possibly the office of the public trustee, as we have never been able to confirm or deny their involvement other than by the hearsay of the social worker patient relations of St. Mary's General Hospital. So it cannot be, that tape can't be played here because it is evidence. But the details provided by administration and others when they felt safe in the shared lie is so very telling of their obvious coercion and intent. John Lichty was kept alive from July 3rd to July 18th, 2019. We asked for a full investigation, including the persons acting in the right of Canada for criminal and procedural issues, human rights abuse, abuse of process and law, abuse of security of person protections and other laws of Canada, and international human rights, including Accessibility Ontarians with Disabilities Act and the Committee for the Rights on Persons with Disabilities. Please listen and decide for yourself. We invite you to. We call for a full criminal investigation request reviewed by a judge under section 274(1)(a) and B of Ontario Municipal Act, and also inquired by Commissioner under section 223.4 of Ontario Municipal Act, with regard to how the region and whatever respond to this. We ask for the rights of all patients and workers to be respected and upheld, especially for those risking their lives every day, including the healthcare workers and support staff, the very police officers and fire and responsible inspectors and public servants who are trying to do the right thing. Thank you. And now the coroner tapes.